Acid Reflux 101, How to Find Relief. When you are suffering with acid reflux, it may seem like there is no help in sight. Thankfully, there are answers to your problems, and they can be found within this video. Many tips and tricks for placating your suffering are available below, so read on to find out more. Try to lose some weight. If you are overweight, especially around your abdomen, it will put increased pressure on your stomach. This can contribute to an increase in acid reflux symptoms. Simply losing a couple of pounds will reduce the pressure on your stomach, which in turn will reduce acid reflux. Keep a diet diary. Everyone is different, and which foods will trigger your acid reflux may not be the same as mine. Write down how you feel before, during and after each meal, and include a list of what you eat and drink all day. After a month, you should have a clearer picture of which foods cause you the most grief. When you eat high-fat foods like fried chicken, your stomach empties very slowly. This allows it to become distended and your esophagus may fill up with acid. Choose healthier foods like lean proteins or beans to avoid this situation, and you should be able to control your acid reflux like a pro. Fat around your stomach doesn't just put you at increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease and stroke, it also causes you to be more likely to develop acid reflux or will worsen symptoms if you are already a sufferer. Lose weight by exercising moderately and eating low-fat, low-acid foods. With all of this great information at hand, you should be ready to tackle your acid reflux. This means taking control of your life and telling the acid to stay where it belongs. Start today and look forward to a happier, healthier future thanks to putting your condition to rest. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.